Hello and welcome back with another informative video. So today we're going to know about the vibrator skin motor, which is a very crucial component of the thermal power plant. So let's talk about it without wasting much time, guys. So a vibrator skin motor is used in the thermal power plant for powering a vibrator screen, which is a type of mechanical screen. So the purpose of the screen is to separate the materials by different sizes. So the main characteristics of a vibrator screen motor includes high vibration frequency and high torque and high resistance in corrosion also. And mainly there are three types of vibrator screen motors are used in the thermal power plant. The first one, that is the three-phase induction motor, and the single-phase induction motor, and the DC motor. Sometimes they are using the DC motors in the vibrator screen motor. So this is the basic concept regarding the vibrator screen motor in the thermal power plant. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.